something I'm missing in my arsenal is a short pin, big VAL, pin down solid. I just happen to have one I bought a while back for myself. I think it's time I drill it. Dynamite Blaze by Swag. This ball is a solid, Up1 Solid, 3000 grit sanded. It's a 2.52 RG with an 049 Diff. It's a big core solid. I ended up going with a 45. The drill angle is not affected on a symmetrical ball. The center of gravity does not change anything, no matter where you put it out on the ball. That center of gravity was always used for putting weight holes in the ball later on. Now the weight holes are illegal. Doesn't matter. I always set my symmetrics at 45. Just give it just a little bit of something. I went with a 3 3/4 pin by an 85 VAL. So this should give me a pretty good amount of flare still. But it's going to want to pick up and roll earlier. Here's the fun part. I've not even told Desiree I'm going to do this. Decided to go ahead and drill it up because I realized I don't have a strong solid. It's pinned down. That's an early roll. I really should have put that on camera. I actually used my teeth to unglue it or unstick it. That's a good ball. Had good rev, good motion, leaves me a 710. Ball. That's a good ball. 7 pin again. Oh, I thought I left it 7 again. Initial thought. I don't know why I slept on this ball for so long. Dynamite Blaze by Swag. Big core symmetric solid. Said I've got a big VAL, medium pin, 3 1/4 pin, 85 VAL. Really early rolling ball. What I shoot 593. 593 out of the box. Don't sleep on Swag, y'all. Get you some.